Hello and welcome to episode 160 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to be showing a basic technique using your thumb on the root of a chord and then doing an upstroke with your other fingers as sort of an introduction to fingerstyle. And I'll just be going between G and C, so form a G chord, and then use your thumb on the low E string and rest it against the next string. So you're just going to be playing the low E string, resting against the A, okay, just like that, and then go an upstroke with your index finger. And on your upstroke, try to hit the bottom 2 or 3 strings, like this. Do it very slowly at first, then pick up speed until it becomes a bit more comfortable. And go to a C chord, do the same thing, but now with your thumb hitting on the 2nd string, on the A string, resting on the 3rd string. Like that, try to get a nice solid bass note out of it. And then, similarly, use your index finger to do an upstroke on the other strings. And again, upstroke 2 or 3 strings. And then, once you've got that down and comfortable, try going between them. Help your thumb get accustomed to playing single bass notes and alternating with your fingers doing other things. So I hope this is useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have.